Unit 47. Reported speech. He said reported speech. He said that. A. Study this example situation. I'm feeling ill. Paul. You want to tell somebody what Paul said. There are two ways to doing this. You can repeat Paul's words, direct speech. Paul said, I'm feeling ill. Or you can use reported speech. Paul said that he was feeling ill. Compare. Direct. Paul said, I am feeling ill. Reported. Paul said that he was feeling ill. In writing, we use these quotation marks to show direct speech. B. When we use reported speech, the main verb of the sentence is usually past. Paul said that I told her that. The rest of the sentence is usually past too. Paul said that he was feeling ill. I told Lisa that I didn't have any money. You can leave out that, so you can say Paul said that he was feeling ill or Paul said he was feeling ill. In general, the present form in direct speech changes to the past form in reported speech. In general, the present form in direct speech changes to the past form in reported speech. Am is was, do does did, will would are were, have has had, can could. Want like know go, wanted like knew went. Compare direct speech and reported speech. You, McKenna, here are some of the things Jesus said in direct speech. My parents are fine. I'm going to learn to drive. I want to buy a car. John has a new job. I can't come to the party on Friday. I don't have much free time. I'm going away for a few days. I'll phone you when I get back. Later you tell somebody what Anna said. You use reported speech. Anna said that her parents were fine. She said that she was going to learn to drive. She said that she wanted to buy a car. She said that John had a new job. She said that she couldn't come to the party on Friday. She said she didn't have much free time. She said that she was going away for a few days and would phone me when she got back. C. The past simple saw knew can usually stay the same in reported speech, or you can change it to the past perfect. Had done, had seen, had known. Direct. Paul said, I woke up feeling ill, so I didn't go to work. Reported. Paul said that he woke up feeling ill, so he didn't go to work. Paul said that he had woken up feeling ill, so he hadn't gone to work. Unit 47. Exercises 47.1. Yesterday you met a friend of yours, Steve. You hadn't seen him for a long time. Here are some of the things Steve said to you. 1. I am living in London. 2. My father isn't very well. 3. Rachel and Mark are getting married next month. 4. My sister has had a baby. 5. I don't know what Joe is doing. 6. I saw Helen at a party in June and she seemed fine. 7. I haven't seen Annie recently. 8. I'm not enjoying my job very much. 9. You can come and stay at my place if you are ever in London. 10. My car was stolen a few days ago. 11. I want to go on holiday but I can't afford it. 12. I'll tell Chris I saw you. Later that day, you tell another friend what Steve said. You reported speech 1. Steve said that he was living in London. 2. He said that. 3. He. 47.2. Somebody say something to you which is not what you expected. Use your own ideas to complete your answers. 1. It is quite a long way from the hotel to the station. Is it? The man on the reception desk said. It was only 5 minutes walk. 2. Sue is coming to the party tonight. Is she? I saw her a few days ago and she said she. 3. Sarah gets on fine with Paul. Does she? Last week you said each other. 4. Joe knows a lot of people. That's not what he told me, he said. 5. Jane will be here next week. Oh, really? When I spoke to her, she said away. 6. I'm going out tonight. Are you? I thought you said home. 7. John speaks French quite well. Does he? He told me any other languages. 8. I haven't seen them recently. That's strange, he told me last weekend.